Imagine waking up one morning, trying to open your Facebook, and boom, your account has been disabled.
My account is disabled.
No warning, no reason, just gone.
But hey, don't panic, because in this video, I'm gonna show you the official and guaranteed method to recover your disabled Facebook account in 2025.
Whether Facebook disabled it by mistake, you were hacked, or your account was flagged for suspicious activity. This step-by-step guide will help you get it back fast and safely. So make sure you watch till the end, because every step I'm about to show you is crucial. I'm Justin Ibrahim from M Paradiso Media, and this is your ultimate guide to Facebook account recovery. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your browser. Open any browser. I recommend using Google or Google Chrome for better results. Once the browser is open, type Facebook Help Center in the search bar and hit search. Click the first link that appears. It should be the official Facebook Help Center website. After the page opens, you'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 lines. Scroll down to the section labeled Reporting, and then find Reporting a Problem with Facebook. Next, look for the option that says Give feedback about it. Click it, and you'll be taken to a page titled Proactive Feedback. Now, you'll see a section that says, Please feel free to provide feedback by selecting a product or feature below, and including a detailed description. Under Product or Feature, tap on the drop-down menu and select Login. In the box labeled Your Feedback, type this message. Message Template. Hello, dear Facebook team. I'm the real user of this account, and your security system has mistakenly disabled my personal Facebook account. I understand this may be due to Facebook community standards, but I am ready to provide all the identification needed to reopen my account. I hope you review my appeal and reactivate my account as soon as possible. Thank you, Facebook team. Then, write the following details below the message. Full name, email address, Gmail. Phone number used to create the account, country. This message is also in the video description. You can simply copy it and replace it with your personal details. Name, email, phone number, and country. Once done, click Send. Step 2. Send the message again. Go back to the main page again and tap the menu icon. Scroll down to Reporting, click it, and again select Reporting a Problem with Facebook. This time, choose Feedback for the Help Center. You'll be taken to another page where you can type your issue. Paste the same message you used earlier, including your full name, Gmail, and phone number. Then click Send. Step 3. Contact Meta via Play Store. Go to Play Store on your phone and search for Facebook. Open the Facebook app page, scroll down until you see App Support, and tap on the Email option. This will open your email app to contact Meta Support directly. Before doing that, make sure you've taken a screenshot of the message that shows your disabled account notice. In the subject field, type Facebook account disabled. In the Compose email section, paste the same message you used earlier with your account details. Tap the Attach File icon and upload the screenshot you took showing the problem. After attaching the file, click Send. Once you've completed all these steps, you've successfully submitted your recovery requests to Facebook. Now, all you need to do is wait for their response. It may take some time, so keep checking your email inbox and spam folder. I hope this guide helps you recover your account successfully. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others facing the same issue. Wishing you all the best in recovering your Facebook account.